That was a challenge. I mean, this technology, there is a technology challenge. When you go in a kind of unexplored territory, there is a challenge. At the same time, that provides some huge freedom for the new expression in design, together with some freedom for the way we engineer the car. And at the end of the day, more importantly, some real customer benefit. And on top of this, we are in the infinity world. We thought that this kind of new way of doing things, pushing the performance to the limit, at the same time being, let's say, responsible or sustainable, fit very well what Infinity should be, and Infinity probably will be. And as a concept designer, I was interested to explore the new technology. This is not the only solution, but at least this is one of the very promising solutions. So just a word on the range extender. What is the attractive in range extender? This capability, to combine potency and character of the internal combustion engine on one side and battery EV on the other side. And this is appealing to many levels. First, we are targeting to make an uncompromising sport car performance, to achieve an uncompromised level of performance on a sport car. And on top of this, that make possible for them in an urban drive to be just zero emission. And this kind of contradiction or mystery fit very well what Infinity is about. This range extender, which is basically an IC 1.2 liter engine together with a battery and electric motor power car, is a mid-chip package, which is the most rational way to distribute the weight and to deliver a high level of handling and performance and thrill. This is the first time for Infinity we go for a mid-chip package, and we find this interesting to explore, investigate what can be a real Infinity based on a very different package than the one we have now. So Infinity is, we have a deep knowledge about what an internal combustion engine is, because this is what we are providing. We also have a kind of deep knowledge about what hybrid is in all sorts, and we are providing this to the market right now. Here it was about changing the rule of the game somehow. When you have more and more cities, especially in Europe, who are kind of banning the internal combustion engine emission, whatever the level of emission. So with this car, you're going to be able to run downtown in London, for example, or in any city with no guilty. You are not guilty, you are zero emission. At the same time, you're going to have fun on a racetrack with the maximum performance car you can ever enjoy. And that's kind of new way of thinking about the sport car for the future. So see you in Geneva. We're going to display this car as a concept car first at the Geneva Motor Show early March. Enjoy the fun.